Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You have a sharp knife, sturdy board, and a Maui Gold that smells sweet. Start now. First, slice off the crown and about 0.5 to 1 inch from the base so the fruit stands upright. Once done, carve the skin downward in strips following the curve to expose yellow flesh. Don't worry about every brown eye yet. Make sure to remove only the skin, not the flesh, keeping strips shallow to preserve juice. This sets you up for precise eye removal next. Now tackle the eyes and core with controlled motions. Use V-shaped cuts along the diagonal spiral to lift out the eyes without wasting flesh. This preserves sweetness and appearance. If you want rings, use a corer and twist down to the base, then slice. Alternatively, quarter the fruit lengthwise and cut the fibrous core from each quarter so pieces are tender. Once the core is removed, slice to 1/4 to 1/. Finish by arranging slices or chunks and taste for sweetness. Maui Gold should be juicy and fragrant. Serve fresh, or refrigerate in an airtight container up to about 5 days. Freeze flat for smoothies. You can compost or attempt to regrow the crown by drying its base a few days then planting. If pieces are unexpectedly firm, let the whole pineapple sit at room temperature for 12 to 24 hours to ripen. If you detect off or fermented aromas, discard and start with a different fruit to avoid spoilage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.